6-in-1 functionality: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat and dehydrate. Watch your food cook. ClearCook window and internal light to easily monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. EvenCrisp technology, advanced technology that allows airflow for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Progress bar, know where you are in the cooking process with an easy view bar and messages when to add and turn food. One-touch smart programs, customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and more. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup, non-stick, dishwasher-safe air-fry basket and tray. A kitchen must-have, perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings and more. Great addition to any kitchen, perfect for 4 to 6 servings. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. Safety features, built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off and more to keep your mind at ease. No complaints. After having 2 other air fryers from Costco that both died after 2 to 3 years, I decided to look around and found this one. Immediately I can tell you it's much better because of the handle is connected top and bottom. Other type of handle always felt flimsy, especially when shaking the contents during air fry. Having a window with light is amazing. You don't have to keep opening the drawer to see how food is cooking. Having a removable bottom inside the drawer is much better than a basket. With a basket style, you'd have to be careful that the drawer doesn't fall off when shaking the contents. It would happen only occasionally, but when it did, it would make a mess. Removable bottom is also easier to clean.